Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. If anyone has been conversant with the Nigerian situation and insecurity in Nigeria and the marginalization song, you would realize that there have been two prominent agitators in Nigeria wanting their own country very strongly, and that has been Biafra and Oduduwa. And in recent past, they have decided to work in synergy, and that synergy has been seen where there seems to be solidarity support, especially in diaspora. You get to see Biafrans with their flags, with Oduduwa Republic also with their flag, supporting one another. But this time around, the support is moving a notch higher, a step further, and they have decided to take it very personal. And Sunday Igboho, the freedom fighter for Southwest, is speaking strongly, not just to the federal government, but to the security chiefs in Nigeria, security personnel in Nigeria, and it's a strong message. And before we go to the newspaper to find out what it is and the synergy that is now being felt, as it is now, by Sunday Igboho and Nnamdi Kanu, and of course, the agitation generally, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. This is indeed very hot. It's never been like this before, as the Yoruba freedom fighter Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, has warned that any attack by the Nigerian army on the southeast will be repelled. It is not Nnamdi Kanu that is talking this one. It is actually from the southwest, lending voice to what is happening in the southeast. In a statement by the media person, and that's the media aide Olayomi Koiki, Igboho said, "Attacks on southeast is now an attack. On the Yoruba people, urging the government to put a stop to the raids in the southeast region." And there have been, information filtering here and there actually about. Well, let's continue with the news first before we now start giving some other information that has been trending. He further stated that if there are further attacks on people of the southeast, Yoruba Nation Now agitators will mobilize and support them. He said it was, however, not stated the kind of support that will be given. The statement reads, "We would like to inform the federal government of Nigeria that any attack on Southeast is an attack on the Yorubas." I've never seen this kind of synergy in a very long while. He said, "Biafra people have been targeted by the Nigerian army. If there are any further attacks on them, we would have no other option but to support our brothers and sisters in Biafra land." Let's bring this home. Let's bring it home. Let's bring it down. In recent past, it has always been, a Biafra agitation and agitation one side, then Oduduwa Republic agitation one side. It has always, but after a while, they started forming a synergy. And I also noticed that any solidarity march you get to see, most often than not, you get to see Biafrans lending their full support. And in recent past, it has never happened in a long time. In fact, we keep hearing things like Northern Governors Forum, they come together. We don't get to hear Southern Governors Forum. What we get to hear is Southeast Governors Forum, or Southwest Governors Forum, or South Governors Forum. We've never heard it in Southern Governors Forum. It happened, and you begin to notice that bit by bit there seems to now be a consciousness. In the northern part, they have more synergy. If you're not conversant with the northern region, you just think that they are one and they are brothers. There's really no difference. But in the southern part of Nigeria, it is well demarcated. You get to hear things like Southwest, they are the Yorubas. You get to hear things like Southeast, they are the Igbos and all that. But in the north, you just say the northerners. Except you are conversant with the region, you may not know which is what, or which region or which tribe belongs to what. But right now, the Southerners are beginning to wisen up, quote unquote, and they're beginning to say, no, we're not going to do Southwest Governors Forum or Southeast Governors. We're going to do Southern Governors Forum in one voice, in one accord. Let's speak up. And this is about what we are also feeling in the agitation that is ongoing right now, where there have been information flying here and there that there's an audio that was, being circulated in social media where an Igbo youth came online and started sharing that some persons come on the uniform pretending to be security personnel and tell the youths in the southeastern region to go into the vehicle, and they want to take them for questioning, and they just take them to somewhere, God knows where, and they will not return. As this, according to the audio that was being moved around, has been going on and on, they are now insisting that the youths become alive. They should resist any form of raiding or arrest, except they can flash them ID card to show that genuinely these guys are security personnel. In recent past, also some persons actually, forged to be EFCC. They came and wanted to, effect an arrest. They're actually not real EFCC. It was even the real EFCC guys, officials, that arrested the fake EFCC guys. So one has to be security conscious in Nigeria. It's really getting out of hand. But this synergy we're seeing, we've not seen it in this fashion in the agitation runs. Right now, Oduduwa and Biafra are now working together like brothers. And they're saying injustice to one is definitely going to be injustice to all. If you're going to raid Southeast, then get ready, Southwest is also going to come and repel it. But now the question now is, how will is going to take place? Is it going to be financial support? Is it going to be manpower support? Is it going to be moral support? No one knows. But definitely it's coming from the media person of Sunday Igboho, and of course we all know who Sunday Igboho is. Alaya Kiniwo, he doesn't get scared. If he said he's going to move, he will move. Oh. When he told, I could still remember when he told the Fulani, Seriki Fulani in Ibarakpa, they thought he was joking. They said, no, it's not Sunday Igboho, except you don't know the story of Ife Modaeke. If you know the story of Ife Modaeke, you will know that Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, is not a joker. When he says it, he means it. Yeah, his story is not, he didn't start today. For those of us who have known Sunday Igboho, we know that Sunday Igboho is not somebody who makes empty promises or empty threats. If he says it, he's going to do it. But now the question is, what kind of help is it going to render to Saudi? I feel personally, at this rate and at this junction, there should be a dialogue right now. There should be a roundtable discussion. In the north, we have Boko Haram. We have the Fulani herdsmen also coming to the south, and in the south here we have Biafra agitators saying they want secession. They want to go home, and we have in the southwest also we have the Oduduwa agitators also saying they want their nation. And for one personnel, the same army, it will be too cumbersome, it will be too big for them to handle as a whole region. How are they going to share the personnel? How many personnel will take care of? Over 200 million Nigerians. Yes, not the 200 million Nigerians are going in for this, but definitely it will be a tough one for them. I would advise, personal opinion now, that the government should look into this matter and let's leave the high-handedness, call these guys to roundtable discussion, find out how we can settle this once and for all, so that there will be no more bloodshed. Whether you say like it or yes, we are still brothers. Yes, we are still brothers, and this brothers quarrel, brothers fight, but we always have a dialogue to let peace reign. The marginalization has been strong for years, and these guys are saying no more. For how long will they keep mute and say, let peace reign? They're now saying no more. We want this done and in our terms. But let's call a dialogue table, a roundtable discussion. Let's see how we can, work things out without necessarily shedding any more blood. As we're going to wrap it up, let's meet in our comment section what to take. Do you have